Class 10 Maths, Chapter Arithmetic Progression. Here is a most important question for your board exams 2026. Question is, if there are twice n plus 1 terms in a AP, then prove that ratio of the sum of odd terms and sum of even terms is n plus 1 is to n. So sum of odd term means sum of all the terms which are in odd places. I mean to say first term plus third term plus fifth term that way. Sum of even term means the terms or numbers which are in odd places. So see how to prove it. Solution. Let first term be a and common difference be d. Then you write the general term ak, that is your a plus k minus 1 times d. Say the AP arithmetic progression B, first term A, and but for our convenience we will write A1, then A2, A3, and so on up to how many terms? Twice n plus 1. So here it will be twice n plus 1. Now, sum of the terms which are in odd places. That's why let us take as sum of the terms which are in odd places. So according to question, sum of odd terms. 3 plus a5 plus so on. Now the main point, what will be the last term? See, 2, 4, let me put an example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 terms. 5 plus 1 by 2. 6 by 2, 3. That means there are 3 terms in odd places. First, third, fifth. So these 3 comes in what way? That is your total number of terms 5. 5 plus 1 by 2. So here also definitely the last term will be a twice n plus 1. But number of terms here it will be n plus 1. Twice n plus 1 plus 1 by 2, that will be, it is like that. Twice n plus 1 by 2, that is twice n plus 2 by 2, it will be your n plus 1. So total number of terms are n plus 1. You can check it by taking this also 1, 3, 5, so on, 2n plus 1. So if you say ak equal to 2n plus 1, then a means 1 first term plus k minus 1 into d means 2 equal to 2n plus 1. This will be twice k minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 equal to twice n plus 1. This implies twice k equal to twice n minus 1 plus 1 plus 2, and k will be your n plus 1. So there are total n plus 1 number of terms. I hope this part is clear. Okay, now it is clear that there are n plus 1 number of terms because you obtain k equals to n plus 1. The sum of all the terms will be what? That is your number of terms n plus 1 by 2 into first term plus last term. That is a1. a1 means a only. Plus last term is your what? A twice n plus 1. That's it. N plus 1 by 2 into a as it is. So it will be a plus twice n plus 1 minus 1 into d. That's equal to n plus 2, n plus 1 by 2 into twice a plus then twice n times d. 2 common cancelled out, n plus 1 into a plus your n times d. This is the sum of the terms in odd places. Next, let us write sum of the terms in even places. Then say it is as this, let us denote it by as this. Then as this equal to a2, a4. Now just we are left to find out sum of terms in even places. Already sum of terms in odd places we calculated. Say as this is the sum of terms in even places, it will be a2 plus a4 and so on up to a twice n. Now question is how many terms are there in even places? Say there are 7 number of terms. Then 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2, 4. 4 terms will be there in odd places and 3 terms will be there in even places. In this case, twice n plus 1 number of terms, last term twice n plus 1 number of terms. So we calculated already twice n plus 1, twice n plus 2 by 2, n plus 1 number of terms in your odd places, then n number of terms will come in even places. Okay, now let us write the sum as this equals to number of terms by 2 into first term plus last term, that is a2 plus a twice n. Now what is there? Just use the formula a2 second term a plus 2 minus 1 into d, and a twice n means a plus twice n minus 1 into d. So just simplify this, n by 2 a plus d plus a plus, multiply this twice n d minus d. See, plus d minus d cancelled out, then what you get, n by 2 equal to n by 2 into, let me write here, after this next step I am writing here, equal to n by 2 into a plus a twice a plus twice n d, twice a plus 2 times n into d, and 2 common, it will be n into a plus n d. So this is your S dash, which is the sum of terms in your even places. So finally the ratio you have to find out. What's the ratio? S by S dash you have to find out. So S is how much? N plus 1 into a plus n times d divided by S dash how much? N into a plus n times d. This cancelled out, equal to n plus 1 by n. Therefore ratio you obtained equals to n plus 1 is to n. I hope the solution is clear to you.